Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MariaDB.org, hit enter, then click on download, then go to this MariaDB server repositories, then select the distribution. See here we have the Ubuntu 22.04. Jemmy edition. Select it, then select the MariaDB server version. See here we have the MariaDB 11.8. Then see, once you selected it, populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Okay, now we have to run these commands one by one. Copy it, open terminal, paste it. I think I have already installed these both transport HTTPs. See, both are already newer versions. Then make this directory keyrings, paste it, hit enter, then import signing key, import GPG key, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now create this file. Up to here etc apt source list.d. Then we have to create this file. So copy this one, sudo va, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy this text, then paste it, save the file, the : escape : wq exclamation, Ctrl A. Now we can install the MariaDB 11.8. Okay, so first update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl A. Now we have to install MariaDB server. Sudo apt get install MariaDB -server, hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, we are installing MariaDB 11.8. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MariaDB server. Sudo systemctl status MariaDB. See, MariaDB 11.8 is installed and its service is running. It is enabled. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to MariaDB. Sudo MariaDB, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to the MariaDB server version 11.8. Okay. The first step after connecting to MariaDB is we have to set the password for root account. First verify list of users. So users, this won't work. So select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MariaDB installation. So set the password for this root account. Alter user root @localhost identified by query. OK means we have successfully set. Exit. Now connect MariaDB with root account -u root -p. Then use this password, whatever is there in singular double quotes. So see, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current _ user. See, we have successfully connected with the user root. Ctrl A. Now create a database. Before that, verify the list of the databases. So databases. See, we have these databases comes with MariaDB installation. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database by using use keyword. Then provide the name of the database. See, before it was none, now it has been changed to bank. Okay. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables, so let us create a table. Create table. So tables. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these two rows. Okay. Now we'll create a user. Create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password, and this is the username. Okay, hit enter. Now verify users. Select user from MySQL dot user. See, we have created user. Let us connect MariaDB with this new user. Okay, to exit from the MariaDB, we have to use the exit command. Hit enter. Now MariaDB -u, username David -p. Then provide password of this user. So this is the password. Okay. So, see, we have successfully connected. Let us verify. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected with the user David. But if you try to switch to bank database, it won't work. See, access denied for the user David to the database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. So to access, we must grant the privileges to the database and its objects. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MariaDB on Ubuntu 22.04. Sudo systemctl stop MariaDB. Hit enter. It is stopped. So verify. Sudo systemctl status MariaDB. See, MariaDB is active or dead. Okay, it is stopped 7 seconds ago. Also try to connect to MariaDB when it is stopped. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MariaDB server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MariaDB. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MariaDB started 1 second ago. Q to hit control. Now we will see how to restart. Just replace this start with restart. Hit enter. Now verify. See, we have restarted or started 1 second ago. Q to hit. Until now we have connected MariaDB by using MariaDB client. We can also connect MariaDB by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools, but we have other tools as well. So I have installed dbeaver on this PC. So let us try to open it. Now click on this plus button, then click on MariaDB, then click on next. Here we have to give the server host like localhost or host name of the machine or IP of the machine. Why I have given localhost? Because MariaDB is installed on this PC. That's why I have given the default port for MariaDB is 3306. Then provide the database name. There is a database name with bank username. You can provide any username which exists in this MariaDB server. Then provide the password of this account. Then click on test connection. See, now it is asking to download the driver. So click on download. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand this connection. Expand databases. See, here we have these databases. Even if you can see here, we have these users. Okay. So if you want to run against this database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Let us verify the MariaDB version that we have connected. Select version. Then select this execute button. See, we have connected to MariaDB 11.8. Okay, we can run any queries on this database. We have one table, so select star from customer. Select the query and click on execute. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Ubuntu 22.04. Then we have seen how to connect MariaDB from the dbeaver. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.